Things you should never do to your penis to live healthy, to perform well, and to live long in life. I want to share with you 4 things you should never do to your penis to be the best man you want to be. So I am using this remote for demonstration. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the 4 things you should never do to your penis to live a healthy life and to be the best man you want to be. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the things you should never do to your manhood or penis. So thank you for stopping by. As you stop to watch this video, I pray that God will bless you. Before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, do well to join us by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a good content like this, you will get notification to watch my video. Now, if you want to live healthy as a man, you want to live long, you want to always perform well as a man, never do this to your manhood to live long. And what are the things? I am going to share 4 things you should never do to your penis. Number 1 is using chemical to watch your manhood or penis. Don't watch your penis with chemicals because this will lead to shrinking. This can lead to hurting your penis. This can also lead to make you receive or get smaller manhood and also increase the risk of contacting disease or germs. So don't use chemical to watch your penis if you want to live long and also live a healthy life. Number 2 is avoid pumping. Pumping it is very bad. For those that want to enlarge it, then you go for surgery and pump your manhood. This can lead to cancer in the future. This can lead to erectile dysfunction. This can lead to make you not to perform well as a man because it is not natural. If you want to enlarge it, do things naturally that will help you to enlarge it, not pumping it, because pumping will hurt you and make you to experience failure in the future. So to avoid erectile dysfunction and to live a healthy life, never pump your penis for the sole aim of enlarging it. Don't do this if you want to live long and healthy in life. Number 3 is drawing tattoo on it. Yes, that machine used to draw tattoo may pierce your penis, and this can inject chemical inside your penis, and in future it can lead to cancer. It can disorganize you and make you not to perform well and also increase the chance of erectile dysfunction. So never ever draw tattoo on your manhood or penis if you want to live long and be the best version of yourself. So avoid this as a man to live a healthy life and to always perform well. Number 4 and the last, which is also important, is piercing or injecting on it. Yes, just like drawing a tattoo, it can inject or put chemical inside your penis, and never inject on your manhood or penis. If you want to live long, you want to avoid erectile dysfunction, you want to have a strong erection as a man, you want to perform well as a man, don't inject it. Leave it natural. if you want to be the best man you want to make your partner happy, please avoid injecting it or piercing on it. Your manhood is your manhood. Your manhood is special. So protect it and be jealous of it. Please, as a man, never do these things to your manhood, and never ignore these things that I share. They will help you to live long if you avoid them, and also help you to perform well if you avoid them. So this is what I want to share in this video. There are things you should never do to your penis to live a healthy life as a man and to perform well as a man. So that is it. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please, if you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Like and subscribe to this channel so that you will be a member of this channel. Turn on the bell so that anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to eat men, you will get notification to watch my video. I wish you good luck. I wish you the best. I wish you good performance as a man. See you in my next video. Bye.